Struggling to give your team access to Pinterest catalogs without sharing your password? Here is exactly how to assign employees in 2 minutes. No more acting as the middleman for every single update. By the end of this video, you will be able to hand off catalog management to your team with just a few clicks. We will walk through opening Business Manager, selecting your catalog, and assigning permissions step by step. It is a straightforward process, and once you see it, you will wonder why you didn't do it sooner. So, first thing first, open up Pinterest and log into the account that owns your brand. This needs to be the main business account, not a personal profile you use for inspiration boards. You want the one that has all your product data connected. Next, navigate to Business Manager. You can usually find this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and looking for the business icon. If you are already managing multiple accounts, you might need to switch to the correct business profile first. Take a second to make sure you are in the right place. Now, find and click on Catalogs. This option is usually in the left-hand sidebar, right under your Ads tools. If you do not see it immediately, try collapsing the menu or scrolling down a bit. Once you click it, you will see all of the product catalogs connected to your account. Choose the catalog you want to share. Click on it to open its details. This is where you will see the source of your product data. Maybe it is a file upload or something from Shopify. Do not worry about that right now. Just make sure you have the correct catalog selected before moving on. Then, click on Share Access. You will find this button in the top right corner of the catalog details screen, near the settings icon. It might say something like 3 little dots or a share symbol, but look for the words Share Access specifically. Now, click Assign Employees. A new window or pop-up will appear. This is where the magic happens. It will show you a list of people who already have access to your Business Manager account. If you have not added your team members yet, you will need to do that first. But for now, let us say they are already there. Pick the employee from your list. Click on their name or email to select them. If you have a lot of team members, you can use the search bar to find them quickly. Just hover over their name and click to select. This next part is really important. You need to set the appropriate permissions for this employee. Pinterest gives you a few options. You can let them view the catalog only, which means they can see the data but cannot change anything. Or you can allow them to edit, which lets them add or remove products. There is also a manager option that gives them full control over the catalog and who has access to it. Think carefully about what your team member actually needs. If they are just uploading new products, edit is usually enough. Save the admin level for team leads. Finally, save your changes. Click the Save or Invite button at the bottom of the pop-up. It might take a second to process, so just give it a moment. And that is it. Now the employee can access and manage the catalog based on their assigned permissions. They will see it in their own Business Manager account without ever needing your password. You are no longer the bottleneck for every single product update. Your team can work independently, and you keep full control over who sees what. And honestly, that is the whole process. It takes about 2 minutes and saves you hours of back and forth. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more Pinterest and business management tips. Thanks for watching.